Hey everyone, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I am going to show you how to add page numbers in Google Docs starting from a specific page so you can skip numbering your title page or intro. Let's dive right in. First, open your Google Docs document and scroll to the page where you want the numbering to start. For example, if you want numbering to start from page 2, scroll to the top of page 2. Now place your cursor at the very beginning of that page. Then go to the top menu and click on Insert. From the drop-down, hover over Break and then click on Section Break Next Page. This will split your document into two sections. Now scroll back up and double-click in the header or footer area where the page number will go. You'll see a label that says Header Section 2 or Footer Section 2 depending on where you clicked. That means you're editing the second section, which starts from the page you selected. Next, look for a checkbox that says Link to Previous. Make sure to uncheck it. This tells Google Docs that this section should be independent from the one before it. Now, while still in the header or footer, go to Insert, then Page Numbers, and choose the option that starts numbering from the current page. You'll see the number appear, and here's the cool part, it won't show up on your title or cover page, only from the section you started. This is super useful for essays, reports, or any formal document where the first page shouldn't be numbered. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more simple Google Docs tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.